In this video, we're going to talk about how to turn some ugly, damaged concrete into a beautiful floor with Everlast Natural Stone.
And I'm going to show you how you can eliminate mold and mildew with VaporVent Technology.
Everlast Natural Stone is a hardworking commercial floor for your business that is inviting and attractive.
One of the things about Everlast Natural Stone is it's easy to install. So it's really just like either pebbles or crushed granite that's troweled over top of the old concrete, so it'll fill in all the grooves, and it's pretty simple and easy, and plus we have a lot of dealers that can do it.
We do. To date, we've had a large number of DIY customers that have come in and actually installed themselves, both the inside product and the outside.
Which goes back to your video, which is really easy and simple to follow. That they can just pull up on their computer.
Right. We have a lot of different design options. There's tons of different colors that you can pick pretty much whatever you want.
We just had someone that bought 2 different colors. They were going to do designs. So they had like a light color for the inside body, and then for a strip along the outside, I believe it was, they had a darker line or border.
Plus the nice thing about the natural stone is it lasts for a long time. So unlike carpet or something like that, it just continues to last. The carpet, it'll get wet and it'll get ruined. You have to replace it. And wood floor gets old and dingy, but this is, it's stones from outside. You know, rocks are around for thousands of years, and so this floor just lasts and lasts. It's a hard wearing.
So it's nice, low maintenance type of product.
Absolutely, it allows for some breathability too in a basement type setting where a carpet wouldn't allow that and would instead cause mold and growth like that. This allows it to breathe through, the moisture to breathe through and pass through harmlessly. Yeah,
and it is low maintenance like you asked, because all you got to do is wash it with if you're outside, you just hose it down with a garden hose, or you can pressure wash it if you want to. Indoors, you can mop it and then wet dry vacuum it, or just sweep it. It doesn't really show dirt, so I mean, you can go for a long time without washing it and nobody will know the difference because it's a natural look. Also, it's comfortable to walk on it. Some people have told us it's kind of like massaging their feet when they walk on it. Like if you put it by a pool or something, it's comfortable to walk on.
While it's comfortable, it's also safe as well. It has the non-slip factor, so it would be a good idea for, say, around a pool or a patio outdoors.
Yeah, and plus it's economical. It's easy to repair. You know, if some do a little bit of remodel and something needs to get moved, you just patch in and put in a few more stones in wherever the hole is made at.
Some people have actually bought this product to repair some of their floors that has been existing from years ago, and coming in and replace it with just a small amount of our product.
All right, so let's take a look at how the VaporVent works, because you were saying in a basement setting, carpets are going to make mold and mildew, where you have your natural stone, it's not going to be like that. Right, the reason is because of...
It's porous, so if you can see, there's holes in the back of it, and as you can see there, the water just goes right on through. And so if you have a concrete floor that has a high moisture content, the moisture's coming up. Like a lot of base strength floors, they'll have hydrostatic pressure, and that moisture is trying to push up through the floor. If you have tile, a lot of times it'll get stuck underneath the tile and can't get out. It tries to push through the grout. It'll end up popping up your tiles. The carpet will get wet, the backing will get wet. But with this, the water just moves its way out and evaporates into the air, and so it's excellent for any kind of floor that has a concrete problem.
And it's twofold, because you have moisture coming through, and then we've heard obviously where people have had their basements flood. So the water goes down, but it can harmlessly go back up and evaporate without destroying your floor. Where we've had people that have called us and said everything is destroyed in our basement. Flooring, our carpet's messed up, or our paint, or whatever it ends up being.
And with this floor, it can be either indoor or outdoor. We can either put it outdoors with our Everlast Outdoor Tough, which we use polyavastic to make sure that the sun doesn't yellow it and it doesn't chalk, or you can use it indoors. A lot of people do either way. If you have a water problem in the concrete, indoor or out, this is the solution for you.
And it's flexible too, so you have the outside product, and I think we covered this earlier too as well, but where it allows for some movement. Where there's no movement, a lot of the pebbles will end up popping up, and that has been a problem in the past. With our system, it maintains flexibility, so that is also another important aspect.
And so with that, it sounds like it's really easy to clean.
It is. All you have to do is sweep it, or mop it or wet dry vac. It's easy, it's just rocks.
Well, one more nice thing about this floor too is even when it's dirty, it doesn't need to be cleaned all the time.
So like if you're in a basement and the water's coming up and then getting in your carpet, then you have this ugly gross bacteria that's just growing all over the carpet. Ew. And then different viruses and stuff, and that's what when you have a concrete moisture problem, now you also have a bacteria and a mold and a virus problem too, because that's what moisture makes if it can't get away. But with the granite stone or the pebble stone that we have, the water just passes through and goes out, and now you don't have to worry about the mold.
So let's get rid of that stuff and recap. So basically this is the best flooring for you, and you need to contact Everlast.
Hey, if you liked this video and you want to learn more, feel free to give us a call or visit our website.